Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to perform a color test on an Epson L3110 printer without using a computer. But before we get started, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Now let's begin. First, place some paper in the printer tray. Then turn off the printer completely. Once the printer is fully turned off, press and hold the power button together with the white button, which is the last button you can see here in the video. Keep both buttons pressed until the power button starts blinking. At that moment, the printer will automatically print a color test page. On this page, you will be able to check the status of each color in the printer, such as black, yellow, red, and blue, as well as see the total number of printed pages, both in black and white and in color. As you can see, the color test is now printing. We just wait a few seconds until the page comes out completely. Once the page is printed, we can clearly verify the condition of the colors, just as we mentioned earlier. As you can see, this process is very simple and quite useful for checking your printer's performance. I hope this video has been helpful, and as always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.